Hello everyone. So today is 20th of Feb and we had our weekly Nifty expiry and let's discuss how our Jane Street indicator performed throughout this week. And because this weekly expiry like options data is going to vanish from trading view from tomorrow onwards, and also many people would say that what is the point in discussing now, like anything, like if you discuss after it has already happened in the stock market, it doesn't make any sense. So the main so then I would like to counter you by saying that yes, I did post many analysis live. Like even if you see here, starting from here, that is 14th of the last Friday, from where this like people started the trading this series, that is 25th series. Okay, so 3:20 p.m. Friday, I said, like, when market was going up, call writing was happening, and then you can go and see Monday there was a gap down and it went out. So not only that, like I posted this, and also like many other analysis as well, and also on Nifty also I made this live stream on that day, and I showed you practically, like during live streaming I showed you this, that is like someone yeah, sorry, this was the live streaming. So yeah, so I practically showed you, like doing live streaming, I showed you that this one, that is Nifty, someone was buying calls and it went up. So that was like, you can also go and check out the live stream. Okay, so yeah, now coming back to why we are discussing, because there are many stages where one can ask, like, what should we have done, or since there are certain points where, suppose market is going up or Nifty is going up and you see call writing is happening, but like it still further goes up a little and still you see call writing happening. So how do you enter, or like what strategies we can follow during those scenarios? So let's discuss everything, and also like so this is an overall discussion, like what we could have done, like when things are when we get the signals. Okay, but yes, as you know, like the we can see the big guys taking positions, but it may just like the market can instantly follow their positions, or it may just take some time, and it might be that they have taken position in the morning, and then at the end, like let's say after 2 p.m. The move is coming. Okay, so yeah, let's go back, and so if you see here this series, so this is the series, like expiry date is 2002, and we have taken our ATM to be 22,900, and like 5 strike price out of the money and 5 strike price out of the money puts and out of the money calls, and 1 ATM. Okay, so now if you see here as well, so before Friday, so like people were not trading much this expiry. So let's start from Friday, and let's see how our indicator performed during this week. And also, like, there is another indicator, as you can see on the charts, which is the Ichimoku cloud. Okay, its name is Ichimoku cloud. It's not just any indicator, guys. It is like considered as one of the best indicator in the market, and on trading view. Okay, so you there are a whole lot of stuffs on the internet if you go and search. So we are comparing our indicator versus that indicator. So it's not like I have picked up any random indicator. And also, like it's like above the cloud, if I mean our chart is there, so then it means bullish, and below means bearish. Okay, so it's kind of as simple as that. But yeah, there are like some other lines as well, but yeah, let's continue. Okay, so let's see. So this is Friday. Okay, so Friday, again, what we see is like I always say, like, wait for the first half an hour or so on. If you're very sure, you can go, but yeah, wait for it. And here, what do you see? Like, market is falling, Nifty is falling. Okay, we as I told you that this is the indicator which can catch reversals. Okay, so market is falling, we see mostly green. Okay, so possible signs of reversal. So what we can do here? So the thing is that the major options are, like, you can make ratios, like you can buy puts and then go little far away and sell 2 puts or 3 puts. So you can do ratios 1:3 or 1:2, whatever suits you. And again, also like you can simply like go a little far out of the money, be safe there, and write puts. And yeah, for let's say if you are an option buyer, so what can you do? So for option buyers, again, you can let's say that you can wait for the reversal, or let's say you can enter step by step. Like suppose if you want to buy 1,000 quantities, so you can like buy it in 200 quantities like in 5 times. Okay, so let's see what happened that day. So okay, so now you see like a little bit further fall, and still market is consolidating there. And okay, so now finally you see that the move came. Okay, finally it came. So if you come back here, that is where was these buying was done. So here, okay, so throughout here these buyings were done, and finally like here also some buying can be seen. And finally like it was taken up. Now people could also say that there are red and whatever. So you have to observe what positions are being taken the most. Okay, and that is like you can see in the morning mostly green. The light greens are the put writing, and deep greens are the put buying. Okay, and now after taking it up, you see heavy call writing, and that's what I posted on X as well. So that was for the next day. And usually like the last 1 hour, whatever big positions if are taken, so they are mostly for positional. Okay, and yeah, next day gap down, and yeah, it went down. Okay, so now let's see. And also like as I already told you, like these are also positions being made, but again we should be waiting for some big positions to be made. Okay, that is also a big confirmation, that is someone is putting big money. Okay, and let's continue. So again, one more thing, like if you are going with these small like signals or whatever, so they are mostly used for scalping. Like if you enter here or here, if you see, then again it went down. Or if you enter here, so again it went up slightly. So again, as I told you, like these are mostly like for scalping. Okay, so even if you see here as well, let me expand it. Okay, so just look at this one. So this one was this candle, right? Okay, and then you see that the next one was red. So good for scalping. Like you would be easily getting 2 to 3 points. And that's the thing. And again here as well it came, but it went up, and then finally again it came down. So again here also some green, and then it went up. So these are usually like can be used for scalping. Okay, so let's continue. So again, as you can see, like scalping. So mostly in this period you see that green are like taken, so put writing, and it went up. So okay, now we see some call writing has happened here. Okay, so right here at the top, and now you see it went down. Fine. And yeah, now here we have something to discuss. Like suddenly here as well, like some put buying happened, but then it went slightly down, but again it went up, but again it went down. But here we saw that right after that put writing also started. Okay, so the thing is that like since these big positions are being taken by algos, so it can't happen that like you are a big institution, and you have to take positions worth 100 CR, or let's say 50 CR. So you can't like put trades one by one with your hand. So you have to use algo. So they use algo. So if the algo is failing to further go down, so what they do is they take counter measures. Okay, so this is where the counter measure started kicking in. Okay, right at the bottom, and put writing started. And also like then you can even confirm it from the option chain as well. And 22,800 was the one where put writing started, and yeah, things went up, but again here some little red, again it came down, but again put writing started, and let's see what happened. Okay, so yeah, it went up, and then slightly consolidation as well. Okay, so the put writers that day here, they got nice exit. Okay, now going ahead, you see again call, I mean, Nifty went up and call writing started here. Now this is the one, like this is like a big one, okay, but you see that this is where the reversal started. But as I already said, like this is where the algo took the position. But again, the countermeasure, if you see here, that is the countermeasures were taken even here as well. So they manage their positions like this. So now let's continue. So this is, as I already told you, like at the top, if you see here, that is, this is a big confirmation that red, and so all the way, like we can see call writing, big call writing is happening. Okay, even you can see how much amount is being used for, suppose just for this, okay, this bar. So this bar, this is till here is the call writing. So you can see like it's almost how much is it? So 122 CR. Okay, so yeah, so if you look at here, that is it's 122 CR or 127 CR. Okay, so that is the thing. Okay, so now let's continue, and let's see what is happening. So 122, and then again considering these as well, so it's almost like 200 CR of call writing happened right at the top. So now let's see what is happening. So as I told you, like you can go for ratios. So even if slightly market moves against you, so you are still safe. Yeah, now you see right after that it fell. Okay, and then here, as you can see, again some long positions right at the bottom here, it went up, and again some call writing at the top here, it went down. So now you can see both side positions are being formed. Okay, so here also, like you can see some green, it went up, and again some red, and it should come down. Yeah, it did. And here again some red. So you have to see which is the most of the positions are what. So if you see call writing is happening like throughout, if you see call writing is happening, what do you see here? If you say it's green, so I don't know what to say, but yeah, if you see, look at throughout here, so it's clearly like saying that call writing is happening. Okay, and market is like so it's basically today, and so it's flat. Okay, its market is basically flat. It even came down by a little here, and yeah, it's finally ending at 22,900. And also like if you notice here, just before 3 p.m. someone like made some call buying, and I think that was the reason why 22,900 C did not go to zero. So yeah, I think they also do hero zero. So anyways, so that's how the performance was throughout the week. And also like you can now check or compare it with the Ichimoku cloud as well, how we performed and how it performed and who won. And so again, yeah, that's it for this video. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you would like to get the indicator, so you can go to the link to the website given in the description below and get it. And also like there's you can also apply this coupon code if you want. So yeah, it will be available for the first 10 members. And also like you would get access to this money flow indicators, so like where you get an overall sentiment of the option chain. So this is for Nifty, and we have it for Nifty and Bank Nifty. But the Jane Street indicator, we have it for all the indices and all Nifty 50 stocks, as well as we have added further some more stocks as well. And also we can add your favorite one as well. So it just needs to have the option chain. Okay, and yeah, So yeah, that's it for this video. So thanks for watching, and keep watching and keep learning and trade safely. See you in the next one.